Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix Discord audio not working. To fix Discord audio not working on your Windows PC, follow these troubleshooting methods. First, check your audio device's settings. Open your Discord and go to User Settings and the Voice and Video settings on the output device. Choose your preferred audio device from the drop-down list. Adjust the output volume slider to ensure the volume is not too low. Now, under the input device, choose the correct microphone from the list. And also adjust the input volume slider if necessary. Another method, set Windows default sound device. Go to the settings, then go to Sounds. Scroll down to find the Advanced section. And here, click on More Sound Settings and choose Sounds. Under the Playback tab, make sure your preferred output device, headphone speakers, is set as default device. Under the Recording tab, ensure the correct microphone is set as a default device. By right-clicking on it, then hit Apply and OK. Another method, reset voice settings in Discord. If the audio issue persists, try resetting Discord's voice settings. In User Settings, go to the Voice and Video section. Scroll down and click Reset Voice Settings. Confirm the reset and see if it resolves the issue. Another method, check Windows Volume Mixer. Right-click the volume icon in the taskbar and choose Open Volume Mixer. Ensure Discord's volume is not muted or set too low in the volume mixer. Another method, check your audio drivers. Press Win plus X and choose Device Manager. Expand the Sound, Video, and Game Controller section. Right-click on your audio device and choose Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for updated driver software and just follow the instructions to update. Last method, right-click the volume icon and choose Sound Settings. Then scroll down to go to the Advanced section. Then hit More Sound Settings. In the Playback tab, right-click on your audio device and choose Properties. Go to Advanced tab and uncheck the option Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Just repeat this process in the Recording tab for your microphone. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.